In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Fresha account in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. First, the initial step is to open your Fresha application. Ensure that you're signed in to access all the necessary account settings. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details to proceed. Once you're in, focus your attention on your profile icon. You'll find this at the top of the screen, usually in the right-hand corner, which is a common placement for profile settings in most apps. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Doing so will bring up a menu where you'll want to select Settings. It's crucial to navigate through the app to this particular section because that's where you'll find options pertinent to account management. Now, in the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll through the options available until you find the Delete Account section. This is typically towards the bottom of these lists, so don't worry if it takes a moment to locate. Once there, select Delete Your Account. But here's the important part to note. Before you can proceed with deleting your account, you must first delete your workspace within Fresha. This might seem like an extra step, but it's designed to ensure everything tied to your account is handled correctly before closure. Upon selecting Delete Your Account, Fresha will present you with a series of on-screen warnings. These are essential, as they confirm the permanency of your action, ensuring that you fully understand the implications. After reading through these warnings, you'll need to pick a reason for your account deletion from a provided list. This step is important for Fresha as it helps them improve or understand user preferences better. So, choose the reason that best fits your situation. Next, you'll want to tick the confirmation box. This box serves as a digital acknowledgement that you're aware of the steps you are undertaking and their irreversible nature. Once that's complete, you'll be prompted to enter your account email and password. This is a security measure ensuring that unauthorized attempts to delete your account are prevented. Input your details carefully and double check for accuracy. Finally, after everything is set, hit Delete Account. Remember, clicking this option means you're committing to the permanent deletion of your personal account. Be absolutely sure, because this can't be undone once processed. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on closing your Fresha account. Always double check steps and ensure this decision aligns with your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful,